Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most timeless and effortlessly chic hairstyles, shoulder-length hair with curtain bangs. This look has been trending everywhere, from red carpets to everyday street style, and honestly, it's not hard to see why. It frames the face beautifully, adds volume, and works with almost every hair texture. So, if you've been thinking about making the chop or simply refreshing your look, stay tuned. Shoulder-length hair is the perfect balance between short and long. It's long enough to style in waves, curls, or even sleek straight looks, but short enough to feel light, fresh, and easy to manage. Adding curtain bangs takes it to a whole new level. These bangs, parted softly down the middle, fall effortlessly on each side of the face, giving that natural, laid-back vibe that's super flattering. What makes curtain bangs so special is their versatility. If you want a soft, romantic look, you can wear them slightly curled. For a more polished style, just blow-dry them smooth and sleek. They can even be pinned back for days when you want to highlight your whole face. And the best part? Curtain bangs grow out beautifully, so you won't have to worry about constant upkeep like with straight-across bangs. This combination, shoulder length with curtain bangs, also suits a wide range of face shapes. It softens sharper jawlines, adds symmetry to rounder faces, and brings focus to the eyes. Whether your hair is fine and needs a little movement, or thick and you want more shape, this cut can be customized to fit you perfectly. Styling is also a breeze. A simple round brush blowout creates volume, while a flat iron gives that trendy, sleek finish. If you prefer something casual, a bit of sea salt spray can transform it into a tousled, beachy look. That's the beauty of this style. It adapts to your personality and mood. So if you've been searching for a hairstyle that's chic, versatile, and low maintenance, shoulder-length hair with curtain bangs is definitely one you've got to try. It's trendy, yet timeless, easy to style, and works for every occasion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gave you some inspiration for your next salon visit. If you love these ideas, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more hairstyle tips, and let me know in the comments. Would you rock curtain bangs with shoulder-length hair? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. This script is written to